Welcome to this quick guide from FundedNext. Today we're talking about how to pay with help with one of our payment partners. What is a payment partner? It's someone that we trust to help you pay for things on FundedNext when you're not able to do it yourself. So let's see how it works step by step. First, the payment partner is going to ask you for some details to fill out a form. Some of these details are going to be your name, email address, and the payment reason. Is the payment for a new account, or reset or top up an existing account? Which account model and size do you want to purchase? And what server would you like to trade in? MT5 or MT4? MT4 or MT5? Do you want a swap or swap free account? They use this information to fill out a form for you on FundedNext. Next, you pay the payment partner. You can use any way to pay that's easiest for both you and the payment partner. Then, the payment partner sends the money to us at FundedNext. After we receive the money, we begin to process your account. As soon as your account is processed, you will receive an email from FundedNext with all your account credentials. And that's it. If you find it hard to pay on FundedNext, a payment partner can help make it way easier. Thanks for watching. We hope this helps you better understand how to use a payment partner at FundedNext. You can find more information about our payment partners in the description below.